hidden losses, reactive maintenance, decisions made on gut instinct and not data. VLC Production Optimization transforms your factory into an intelligent, self-aware operation built into Microsoft Business Central. Real-time machine data with AI-powered detection of bottlenecks and quality issues, no manual tracking. Prescriptive AI anticipates failures before they occur, schedules maintenance automatically, protects throughput and your margins. Reduce waste, maximize yield, and build a factory that gets smarter every single day. Boost throughput, cut downtime, grow margins. That's VLC Production Optimization.